Welcome to Practice English Slowly.
Part 4. Evening and Dinner. When I leave work around 5 p.m., I usually take the bus back home. The bus ride is about 20 minutes, and I really enjoy this time. I put on my headphones and listen to my favorite playlist. Sometimes I listen to pop music, but other times I choose something calm, like acoustic songs, to relax after a busy day. If I'm in the mood, I listen to an audiobook or a podcast. It's my quiet time when I don't have to think too much and I can just enjoy the ride. On the way home, I often think about what I want to cook for dinner. I like cooking because it helps me relax. I don't always cook something complicated. Usually just a simple meal like pasta with vegetables, grilled chicken, or a big salad with avocado and tomatoes. Sometimes I make rice bowls with vegetables and some sauce, or I prepare tacos, which are one of my favorite quick dinners. When I arrive home, the first thing I do is change my clothes. I like to put on something comfortable, like sweatpants and a soft hoodie. It feels so nice after wearing office clothes all day. Then I wash my hands and maybe take a quick shower if it's been a warm day or if I feel tired. Dinner time is usually around 6:30 p.m. I don't like eating too late because it makes me feel heavy before going to bed. If I'm not too hungry, I just make something light, like a salad with tuna or eggs. If I'm in the mood for something warm, I might make a small soup or stir-fried vegetables with rice. While cooking, I often watch YouTube videos or listen to music. Cooking is my me time, and I love trying new recipes. Sometimes I experiment with different flavors, but other times I just make something I already know and love. After dinner, I always wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. I don't like leaving dirty dishes overnight. It feels good to have a clean space. Evening rest. Around 7:30 p.m., I usually start my evening routine. Sometimes I watch TV shows or movies. My favorite shows are usually comedies or light dramas because I don't like anything too stressful after work. Other times I read a book. I try to read at least 15 to 20 minutes every day because it's relaxing and good for my mind. If I have more energy, I spend time on my hobbies. I really enjoy painting and drawing. I'm not a professional artist, but I like creating something with my hands. Sometimes I listen to relaxing music and just paint whatever comes to my mind. It's like therapy for me. I also enjoy talking with my friends in the evening. We often chat on the phone or have video calls. We talk about our day, share funny stories, and make plans for the weekend. Talking to friends always makes me feel better, especially after a busy day. If the weather is nice, I sometimes go for a short evening walk. Walking around my neighborhood in the evening is peaceful. I like looking at the sunset, the lights of the houses, and just enjoying the quiet streets. A 15-minute walk helps me clear my head and relax. Thank you for spending this time with me. I really enjoyed sharing my story. I hope you have a wonderful day, and maybe you'll take one of my ideas to make your own life better. Bye for now.